Hi boys and girls, this video is going to help guide you through the Coaster Creator Lab. Now the first thing you want to do on the paper in front of you is, of course, put your name in the period. Then you'll need to make sure that you are logged into Coaster Creator. It looks like this. Once you're in here, you click on Build a Roller Coaster right now.
Give your coaster cars a unique look.
Okay. Now, at this point, you guys have already played with it, so you know how to change the car and change the number of cars and color and all that jazz. Okay. So, you are asked, first of all, to design a roller coaster. We're going to go with, let's make it the Rhino, and I'll have it blue with some teal detailing. I like it. And that looks good. I think I'll add in their car. Okay, 4 cars. Notice at the top it tells me my mass right here, and then my mass again right here. These are 2 separate equations. One is showing how to calculate the potential energy of this coaster, and the other one is telling us how to calculate the kinetic energy. Alright, so right here you would be filling out the mass of your coaster in both of these boxes labeled mass. For height in this box, leave it blank, and for velocity here, leave it blank. Alright, so once you've decided on your total number of cars, it'll be time to build your track. With your regular pencil and using the box below, sketch the coaster track you've constructed. Hint, it will take some practice and experimentation to make a successful roller coaster track. Learn from your mistakes and have fun. Okay, so let's go to Coaster Creator and make a track. So I think the first thing I want is for it to, I'm going to make mine really scary. Okay. And then I'm going to have it come down like really steep. And if you just click on that dot, it gives you options. I'm going to add a loop, maybe a medium size loop. And then I'm going to do a small loop and maybe some uphill and maybe a little steeper uphill, and then I'll have it come down all the way to the end. Okay, so here's my coaster, and I'm going to sketch this in this box. So I might have to, like, with my pencil, kind of show this dot as being up real high. Then it says, using a red colored pencil, circle the part of the track where you expect to find the maximum potential energy. So think about what potential energy is. I know we played with the track a little bit before, so maybe you have an idea. Remember, you don't have to know exactly, you're just guessing. And then with the green, where you expect to find the maximum kinetic energy. And then using the orange colored pencil, where you expect to find the most thermal energy. So you don't have to know exactly where on your track those things are going to take place, but you're going to make your best guess. Okay, now before you run your coaster, click on the very first node. These are the black dots in your roller coaster. Look at the equation at the top of your screen and fill in the numbers you see there. So the first node is this one. So if I click right here, it puts a number here for height. Notice my mass is just like it was before, but my height is showing 59.1 meters. So we'll add that here along with my mass and my mass. Then I'm going to run the roller coaster. Keep an eye on the bar that will start to fill up at the top and answer the following questions. Hint, you can rerun your coaster as many times as you like. When your coaster has finished running, select the back button and go back to the track building screen. If you don't make any changes, clicking on next will let you rerun the same track. All right, so then it asks some questions here like what is the dominant color of the bar at the top of the hill? What type of energy is that? What is your car doing when you see that the bar is mostly green? And at what point is it most desirable to see a lot of what does each bar represent? Okay. When your coaster reaches the end of this run, circle the state of your coaster if it was a crash, a success, or it got stuck. If it was successful, then you are done and actually move on to the next assignment, which is the post lab. But if it did get stuck or crashed, go ahead and see if you can fix it so that it doesn't do that. And then if you made some changes, this is where you can record the changes you made and why you made them. And again, say if it was successful or not. And if you still needed to try again, you can fill out this one. So these are just extra options for in case yours keeps crashing, just to kind of really think to yourself, am I making any changes after it crashes, and what changes are those and why? But as soon as yours is a success, you're good to go. And I just want to show you something. Let's run mine. I wanted to show you what it meant about that bar at the top. So this is the bar right here. Right now you can see there's some green. And then as it's going up the hill, it's getting a lot of red, this PE, potential energy. Oops. And then it goes down, and as it's going down, watch what's happening to the color. Going through the loop-de-loops. Notice the orange here. Oh, I didn't think it'd actually make it. Oh, okay, apparently I had too much energy and I crashed. So I would have to remake mine. Anyways, all right, good luck.